Let me tell you the story of our civilization. Our planet was located near a medium-sized star. We achieved advanced technological development. We mastered nuclear fusion, giving us almost unlimited access to energy. We built enormous structures in orbit. It seemed a bright future awaited us. But one day, a wandering planet ejected from another solar system found itself on a collision course with our planet. The collision was supposed to occur in 10 years. We had no chance to prevent it. We decided to flee our planet in search of a new home. We began building enormous spaceships. We were capable of that. However, only a fraction of us could find a place there. The rest were doomed to extinction. We didn't set off in a random direction. Some time ago, we received information sent by an alien civilization from a third planet orbiting a star similar to ours. The deciphered information indicated that in some ways they were similar to us. The discovery of technologically advanced life in our vicinity, on a cosmic scale of course, truly frightened us. We knew that over time more intelligent beings always subjugate or even exterminate less intelligent beings. We ourselves are a prime example of this. We destroyed thousands of animal species. We didn't engage in any dialogue with them. Even those species that differed only minimally from us genetically were not our partners. We allowed them to live solely for entertainment. It was almost certain that the inhabitants of an alien planet differed from us to such an extent that any peaceful coexistence would be impossible. The existence of an alien civilization so close to us posed a serious threat to us, and it wouldn't have reassured us at all that our civilization might now be more advanced, something we didn't know about. After all, their development could accelerate, and one day they would detect our presence. Would they leave us alone? Would they be willing to risk the future of their civilization? Why did they send their cosmic address into the vastness of space? What absurd thinking led to this? Did they not understand the danger they were exposing themselves and the future of their civilization to? How stupid must one be not to understand that before any dialogue between alien civilizations can be attempted, both must find a way to destroy the other? Were they not surprised that despite the vastness of space, they could not receive signals from other civilizations? We knew what we had to do. Despite advanced genetic technology, the average lifespan on our planet has only approached 100 years. For some reason, the universe limits possible lifespans. No one older than 50 boarded their spaceships. It was a terrible feeling to leave them to certain death. Our Armada's journey lasted several generations. Several times we stopped at planets we encountered and established bases there. Nearly half of our spaceships were destroyed in collisions with space debris. It was a quick death, though. The real hell was experienced by those whose ships malfunctioned. We couldn't wait for them. The fate of individuals loses its importance when the existence of an entire civilization is threatened. After 100 years, our reconnaissance ships approached the planet we intended to target. The information they transmitted indicated that there were space stations in orbit, but not many. Their civilization seemed less advanced than ours. When our largest spaceships reached this planet, we decided to meet with its inhabitants. First, we attacked their space stations in orbit. Immediately afterward, hundreds of thousands of combat vehicles set off from our massive main ship towards their largest cities. In a short time, we destroyed their largest urban centers. The biological mutants we had bred completed their destruction. And peace came. We cared for the few survivors and placed them in zoos. We often kept their playful children as pets in our own homes. Today we celebrate the first anniversary of our victory with a large rally in the main square of our new capital. We exterminated people, but we are not immoral. We simply love our families. If people could, they would do the same to us.